I'm actually so nervous about this. The reason why I'm so nervous is for the reason. So what I'm gonna do is actually have her video here, right here. I don't understand how I'm gonna do foxy eyes without an eyeliner. So I'm really gonna try to make it work because I'm going to work. I don't have a lot of time for mistakes. Let's start from here. Okay. Is that really her without eye makeup on? How does one look like that? Okay, let me see what she's doing. That's it? Is that... Did she put anything on her eyes? Like, I don't have anything on my eyes. I just feel like I'm gonna put just a little bit of powder. Okay, that makes a little bit more sense. So I'm gonna go back to that transition color. Like, okay, Dad. So I'm just gonna do that. Well, that doesn't even make any difference. But that's so light for me. I have this palette. I'm gonna try the warm taupe. Hopefully the warm taupe is like the color I'm looking for. Oh no, that's also light for me. Let's see. What? What? Guys, I swear I'm not that dark. Am I? Am I? Fine, I'm just gonna like use a dark brown. What in the world? I mean, I know I went tanning, but I was at home this entire quarantine. Okay, that's a little bit better. Yeah. I don't know why I'm like panicking. Like, I expected this to be so easy and it's fucking not. You know what? I'm just gonna watch a little bit of it and see what's happening. What? I literally just think that her eyes are foxy and she's just adding a little bit of eyeshadow on. What? Wow, how did that happen? I think the concept is she goes lighter and then darker and then darker. And that's literally what I'm gonna try to do. Wow, that tutorial was really hard to follow, to be honest. I'm still blending, guys. I don't think I know how to blend. So I'm gonna take a brush that's like supposedly supposed to be like an accent brush. Oh my god, okay. And it looks like she's doing what an eyeliner would look like. And then she's blending the edges out. Does she go all the way in? I don't know, I'm just gonna go all the way in. Okay, now I'm just gonna blend the shit out of it. She made it look so easy. Wow, that looks disgusting. I'm like really angry. I just kind of want to see what she's gonna do next. She goes to like a dark, like a black almost, and does a really dark sort of situation. I just need to try a little bit harder there. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. Like, I cannot go out like this. Honestly, I'm so done with this. No, but I'm gonna make it work. Like, if I blend forever, I'm just gonna take my time to do this. I don't know how she made it look so easy. Guys, I'm actually annoyed. Like, I think I need to practice a lot more. I think I'm just hangry. Yeah, I'm gonna do this real fast and then show you the end result. So I just think that guys, I just want to say, it actually doesn't look so bad. Like, when I'm editing it, it doesn't look so... Okay. It doesn't look so bad. But like, I swear to God that I went out that day and I hated my makeup the entire day. So like, I know that it looks like I'm complaining and it looks very fine, but it was actually a really bad piece. Probably need to practice a little bit more. I know that like her eyes play a major role, but I know that I can kind of also fake it with makeup. So I'm just like freaking annoyed. Anyway, I gave it a try. Give it a try if you want to, because that was a challenge for me, to be honest. But thank you so much. And Pammy Baby, if you're watching this, I think you're absolutely gorgeous. And so I think you need to give yourself a little bit more credit, because that is a really hard makeup look to make. So, okay. Yeah. Peace out. Bye.